There's a lot of them going around me. Time to hit the surf again. Geofish naming it. Let's go get them, guys. We'll see. Got one with the crocodile. I don't know how big. It's a little guy, but oh yes. With a crowd up, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's a little striped bass. Oh my goodness. It's a little striped bass. It's a little striped bass, guys. Check that out. It's a little striped bass. Oh my. Oh, the crawdad. Look at that, with a crawdad. Little striped bass with a crawdad. Another one, another one. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. What is this? Oh, so nice. Surfperch. There you go. This crawdad, man. That's it. There you go. With a crawdad. Slaying with a crawdad. Not in a picture. Nope. Another one, another one. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. It's another striped bass. This is the second one today. Oh my, this is the second one today. Look at that. It's another striped bass with the crawdad. Wow. It's the second one. Oh my lord. It's a crawdad. He's landed. Yes sir. Another striped bass. Let me measure this one. Looks a keeper to me. He's long. With a crawdad. Yeah. Good one. This crawdad is killing you guys. You guys need to get one of this one right now. I'm telling you. Right there, another one. Crawdad. Crawdad. If you guys want to slay some perch right now, crawdad is the hot one. There you go. I got this is my 8th perch with this crawdad and 3 striped bass. There you go. I'm keeping this one. Yeah. I went to go test this bait right here. It's now available at Bindercat. One bait more than 10 fish and still look good. I got this synthetic right here, and it has the pinkish kind of accent to it. And just in case you don't see it in their website, make sure to call them because I just delivered this one yesterday. Okay, so see it, call them up, ask for this bait. You'll love it. Alright, peace out.